Children, in the last video, we learned the comparison of big, bigger and biggest. In this video, we will learn the opposite of big, bigger, biggest. What is the opposite of big, bigger, biggest? Small, smaller, smallest. First, I will show the same objects what are we used in the big, bigger, biggest. Same object I will show it in the small, smallest. Which one is the small, smaller and smallest, and also I will inform which one is a big, bigger, biggest and which one is a small, smaller, smaller. I will teach you the comparison of big and small, big, bigger, biggest and small, smaller, smallest. Come on, I will show the first object, spoons. In the big, bigger, biggest, we learn the small सबसे छोटा होता है वो big होता था और bigger big से थोड़ा बड़ा था और biggest दोनों से बड़ा था. Now in the small, smaller, smallest में सबसे बड़ा which one is the biggest? That one is small. And which one is the bigger? That one is a smaller and smallest. सबसे बड़ा है वो स्मॉल है और सबसे मीडियम साइज में है तीनों में वो स्मॉलर है एंड सबसे छोटा है दैट वन इज स्मॉलेस्ट. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. नाउ आई विल शो यू. इसमें आप लोग बताओ विच वन इज द बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. आई विल inform the वो comparison of big, bigger, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Is it right? Yes. Now in the small, comparison of small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. समझ में आ गया? Big, bigger, biggest में सबसे छोटा है वो big है और small, smaller में smallest में सबसे बड़ा है वो स्मॉल है. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. सबसे बड़ा है वो स्मॉल और मीडियम साइज में है स्मॉलर एंड स्मॉलेस्ट. नाउ आई विल कीप द स्मॉल टू इन द बैनर, अंडर द बैनर स्मॉल एंड देन स्मॉलर हियर एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट अंडर द बैनर smallest. Now another one example. 3 big spoons are here. 3 big spoons are here. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. सबसे बड़ा है वो small है और उससे थोड़ा छोटा है वो smallest है और बहुत छोटा है वो smallest है. मीडियम साइज में वो स्मॉलर है और सबसे छोटा है वो स्मॉलेस्ट है. स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. अभी इसमें बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट में कंपैरिजन. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? कंफ्यूज मत होना. समझ में आ गया? बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट में सबसे छोटा है वो बिग है और उससे थोड़ा बड़ा है वो बिगर है और बहुत बड़ा है वो बिगेस्ट है. और स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट में सबसे बड़ा है वो स्मॉल है, मीडियम साइज में वो स्मॉलर है और बहुत छोटा है वो स्मॉलेस्ट है. दिस इज द स्मॉल स्पून. आई विल कीप अंडर द स्मॉल बैनर एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉलर. This is smaller. I will keep under the smaller banner. And this is the smallest. I will keep under the smallest banner. Now 3 plates are here. 3 plates are here. Big, bigger, biggest. You already learned. Now small, smaller, smallest. Small plate, smaller plate, smallest plate. Small, smaller, smallest. This is a smallest, smaller, small. I will keep small plate in the small banner under the small banner, and smaller under the smaller banner, and the smallest plate under the smallest banner. Now, 3 bowls are here. 3 bowls are here. Now, tell me which one is the small bowl? Is this small? No. Is this small? No. Is this small? Yes. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Abhi opposite. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Confuse मत होना. स्मॉल से स्मॉलर छोटा है और स्मॉलर से स्मॉलेस्ट और छोटा है. दिस इज अ स्मॉल. आई विल कीप अंडर द स्मॉल बैनर. एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉलर. आई विल कीप अंडर द स्मॉलर बैनर. एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट बाउल आई विल कीप इट इन द स्मॉलेस्ट banner. Now 3 tins are here. 3 containers are here. Small container, smaller and smallest. Small सबसे बड़ा है वो small है और उससे थोड़ा छोटा है वो smaller है और छोटा है वो smallest है. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Now big, big, bigger, biggest में big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? Small, smaller, smallest. और उसका ऑपोजिट होता है big, bigger. Big, bigger, biggest. Now small container in the small banner under the and smaller under the smaller banner, and now smallest container under the smallest banner. 3 thermoses are here. Small thermos, smaller and smallest. Small thermos, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Now, tell me now, which one is the big, bigger, biggest? Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. हम इसको big, bigger, biggest में comparison देखिएगा तो सबसे छोटा है वो big, उससे थोड़ा बड़ा है वो bigger और सबसे बड़ा है वो biggest है. और वही स्मॉल स्मॉलर स्मॉलेस्ट में देखने के समय सबसे बड़ा है वो स्मॉल और उससे थोड़ा छोटा है वो स्मॉलर और बहुत छोटा है वो स्मॉलेस्ट. स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. स्मॉल thermos here. Medium thermos is in the smaller and smallest thermos here in the smallest banner. Now, which one is the small, smaller, smallest? Small, smaller, smallest. Small was, smaller or was and smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. And then now, we'll big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. In now small में small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Children, now I will keep this one small in the small banner and big under the smaller under the smaller banner and smallest under the smallest banner. Children, did you understand? सबसे बड़ा है वो स्मॉल है, उससे थोड़ा बड़ा है, सॉरी उससे थोड़ा छोटा है वो स्मॉलर है और बहुत छोटा है स्मॉलेस्ट है. स्मॉल small, smaller, smallest. 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 And big, big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. और small, smaller, smallest. पूरा opposite होता है. Small, smaller, smallest opposite. Big, bigger, biggest. समझ में आ गया आपको? Same object I shown in the both the comparison. Maybe I hope you all are understood. Yes or no? Now you already did the activity of big, bigger, biggest. Same things you take it, objects take it, and you aggregate that things in small, smaller, smallest. आपका confusion clear हो जाएगा. First वही objects लेके आपको big, bigger, biggest में करना है, and then वही objects से small, smaller, smallest करना. Okay? Now take out your numeracy skill sheet book and open the page number 42. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. See, first we will see the comparison of big and small. This is a big fish and this is a small fish. Big fish, small fish. Now we will keep aside a big fish. Now we will see the remaining three fishes. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. ये सबसे small है और ये सब उससे भी smaller है और ये उससे भी छोटा है. Did you understand? Now, color the big star in orange, small star in red, and smaller star in blue. Now, which one is the big star and which one is the small star? Which one is the big star? Come on, you tell me which one is the big. Is this big? No. Is this big? No. Is this big? Yes. This is a big. See, this is a big star in among all four stars. This is a big star among all four. This is a big और ये small है. उस समय ये दोनों हमें नहीं देखना है. Don't look at these two stars. Big, small, big, small, big star and small star. Here given big star in orange, small star in red, and smaller star in blue. Big, small, smaller, smallest. Big से small छोटा है, small से smaller छोटा है और smaller से smallest छोटा है. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. And this is a big. हमें we have to color big star in orange. We already colored orange in big object. Now take the red color for small object. This is a big star and this is a small star. Now for smaller star we have to apply blue color. Big, small. Now keep aside a big star. Now don't only look it in these three stars. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Now, did you understand? Small, smaller, smallest. Children, complete this page 43 of your numeracy skill sheet book. Did you understand the comparison of big, bigger, biggest and small, smaller, smallest? You practice at home. You can easily understand these things. Okay, bye. We will meet in the next class. Bye.